students, we are going to be drawing still. Drawing is fun. If you've noticed, my tools have reduced. I have a pencil and I have a marker. I don't have an eraser, but you should get one. I've been drawing for a while, so I'm comfortable with my skills. And I have my paper. My marker will be like my 6B pencil, and my normal pencil will be to give the sketch. Today, we'll get away from perspective and we'll do animals. Animal composition is easy when you can think about the animal as a whole. Most times the mistake people do while drawing is going straight to the details. That's not very advisable because you'll get frustrated in the middle of your drawing. So we start with a simple elephant. I will sketch simple circle here. And a simple box. You can see more or less I have the shape of the animal. I'm thinking about the animal as a whole. So I'll place the leg. What I'm doing is a simple line drawing. Very easy for anyone to do. And where the trunk will be. If you notice, it's very simple. Anyone can do this. If I went straight to the details, I would be right now just focused on the face, which will take a while. But then I'm focusing on the whole animal so that my composition can just be right. So I add another layer to make the trunk. I add another layer to make the legs. And this is the front leg. Simple line drawing throughout. Then I draw where my ear will be placed. You see, a very simple sketch of the animal. That is the task. If you've noticed, I'm just layering the drawing. When I start now completing it, it will be easy. Always do a series of lines until you get it right. Practice is always the best. As a simple elephant. Now, using my marker, I will do the detailing. I simply have more or less the outline of the animal. I place my eye and simple lines. There is my animal. This is more or less a flat drawing, so we learned different styles of shading. To make it more realistic, I will shade it using my pencil. Sketch where I want to shade, then I'll choose the style of shading I want. It will be the shadow of the ears, belly area, and the leg. So I start. I'll use line shading for this case. Lines are close together, so it resembles fine shading. You can listen to a podcast or music you like so that you don't get bored during the process. Very simple. And all the lines are facing a particular direction so that my drawing looks uniform. Always stick to adding details until you can get a realistic feel of the animal. Here on the side, I'll do very simple line shading. This shading can also be done using colors to make the picture as realistic as possible. If you noticed, I worked on my composition, so I did not use an eraser. I had the outline before starting to shade the animal. I thought of my animal as a whole. I'll add wrinkles with my marker to depict its height. Then I can draw the Kilimanjaro besides it. Line shading throughout. I'm shading the mountain lightly because my focus is on the elephant. Very simple composition of an elephant.